we're pairing two Lone Star favorites, Kiolbassa smoked sausage and Saint Arnold's beer, for an Oktoberfest that's sure to be as bold as Texas. Pair the bold, smoky flavor of our traditional Kiolbassa Polish sausage with a full-bodied and malty Saint Arnold Oktoberfest. Savor the unmistakable taste of Kiolbassa roasted garlic smoked sausage, paired with the crisp, citrusy hops of Saint Arnold Art Car IPA. Pair the spicy heat of Kiolbassa jalapeno cheddar beef sausage with an ice-cold, easy-drinking Saint Arnold Fancy Lawnmower. Or try the hot kick of our amazing Kiolbassa jalapeno beef smoked sausage with the refreshing, slightly tart citrus flavor of Saint Arnold Orange Show. Whichever pairing you choose, slow-crafted Kiolbassa smoked sausage and Saint Arnold craft beer make a winning pair every time. Cheers, y'all!